Hello and welcome back to the channel. We're continuing to go through our list of tablets, and today this is a Huawei, which again it has a crack screen, and I think somebody already wanted to open this. It feels nicer than the other ones, and yeah, let's try and see if we can open it, so afterwards we can see what parts we need. So let's see if this charges. I have my amp meter here. No, nothing. So absolutely no charge, and I'm wiggling this and nothing. Okay, right. The screen is not that cracked, but I'm still going to put some tape over it. We'll definitely have to change it. Let's see if there are other things. I'm guessing that this doesn't have a battery inside, and because of that it's not even trying to charge. So let's see if I am right. So this is open as well, so I'll try it open from here. Where did I put all my tools? Here. Feels like it wants to open, but it's glued. Okay, I can feel the glue. Something like the it's glued. I don't know if you can hear this. Yeah, it has glue all over. Where are you, trusty? I'm not sure if this is like that from the factory. It doesn't feel like it. I've put some IPA. A little bit more IPA. Let's see. I can see the battery, and I think it's bulged a little bit. and it's also the battery is stuck to the back. Okay, I understand, I got you. Interesting. I've ripped the battery connector. That isn't good. But the voltage is what? Rated voltage 3.8. We'll try with the power supply to see. Oh, I've ripped also the speaker. Maybe I should, yeah, the speaker. I've ripped also the speaker, the what's it called? The vibration. Yeah, probably I shouldn't have done that. So the correct way of doing this would have been to pry open the screen. So let's do that as well. Let's not break anything else. Hard to say. Easy to break. Okay, I need to be very careful because definitely I don't want to break this. That's a big connector, so now I think this is the best way of doing it. Here. Right, so we got the screen out, which is good. It's in a frame. And let's take this out. Oh, this is one of those. So I'll try to see, maybe we can do that off camera somehow. I'm not sure. Yeah, look, we broke this. Unfortunately. Well, when we broke something else here. This one, what was this one? So this one was like this. Oh wow. This was the battery. This is metal. Okay. What's the... Where was this going? No, it's also disconnected. This is disconnected. Okay. So it's not this, it's not this. It's exactly where the power button is. Where? Okay. Right. So this would be the back, right? This would be the... No, sorry. This is the back. This is the back, so they would be like this. So be still on this, if we can find. But this is disconnected. That's my... Okay. Very weird. So I think it's clear we need a new screen. I mean, I'm not sure about the screen, but I don't know how to test it. The digitizer is definitely broken. You can see it has cracks, and I think, yeah, the screen will have cracks as well. And then we need a new battery because I was overzealous, and we need a new power button here. I'm wondering if we need also... As it looks like here and here, it's a Wi-Fi antenna. Interesting. Right, okay. I'll go try and find the parts now. So we managed to get the replacement screen. So this is Huawei AGS-L09. And yes, I've made a really bad mess of this. I need, yeah, so I'm gonna fix a couple of things with it. So this is a Mediapad T310, right? So I've received the screen, which is not an original screen, as you are going to see in a second. So it came really good, packed, which is good. You can see here, well packed, but doesn't say Huawei on it. So this one, and this is the original one from the tablet. So the gap for the camera is in the right place, I think. Yeah, but it doesn't say Huawei on it. So let's rotate them and see. Right, so M24990LJ, M24490LJ. Yeah, okay. Looks like the same screen, but we're gonna have to transfer this flex cable from here to here. So we are going to do that. I'm looking to see if it doesn't look so. The peephole here is not aligned. It feels like this is from somewhere else. But it is what it is. Seems to have the right numbers on it, and yeah, we're gonna let's swap over the cable first. I still need to get some other things for this, like a battery probably. Gonna put a little bit of IPA because it has glue, and I want to remove it nicely without breaking it, which I usually do. And please don't tell me you don't do that, because I know you do. Everybody does it. You know what I find really hard to do when I'm doing these videos? To talk while I'm doing something. I am what can I say? All the people who do this, so they do something and at the same time they're speaking. My hats off to you, especially when you're working with electronics. you are very, very good at what you do. So I'm trying to pry this really slowly. The IPA works really good. So yeah, so now it's all, everything is off, which is good. So now, do I just pull this off? No. No. Is this going to lift up? Ah, okay. So the back of the connector lifts up, and then you can pull the cable out. Right. So now let's set this aside. We might need. I mean, we might need it. I don't know if we're gonna need it. I'm looking at it. This doesn't feel, yeah, very, feels cheap, but anyway, and it feels like it's from another tablet, like it was spare part. See what I was saying about the hole? They don't align. No, very well. Anyway, we'll probably keep this until I have everything that I need to repair the tablet, because I need a battery as well. So we're gonna do two parts to this video. Right, so I'm gonna plug it in. Hopefully it's gone in, and the tab has clicked. So I declare this a success. Notch. If you've seen in the first part of the video that when I've opened this, I've destroyed the battery connector. So, and it's a specific connector, so I can't just plug in whatever I want. I mean, plug in. Sorry, I mean, I can't. Yeah, I can't put the bench power supply with the right voltage in it. So yeah, unfortunately, I can't continue. I have to have a look at getting one of these batteries. I haven't looked at batteries because trying to buy the battery from AliExpress, it takes a long time because they're considered dangerous goods, like you see here, all these markings. So it's cheaper to buy it here in England rather than getting it from China. Sorry, not cheaper, but you get it in about 3 to 5 days, and that's what I want to do with this one. These ones, so the power button, this, yes, I bought from China and it's coming, it's on its way. So when that comes, we'll do a part 2 of this video. and will hopefully put everything back together and see if it works. Um, the other problem I have with this is the amount of glue that I need to peel off, because this is really stuck down, like really stuck down, and I can't see any strips that you can pull. Then I have to figure out this. I have to put the cables back because I've ripped them off. Look, they were here, they were going here, and I've just done that. And yeah, kind of defeats the purpose of me repairing anything, because I'm breaking it in the first place, which is weird. Don't know if this would be here. I think, is it, or is it a different color? No. Ah, no, because this is a tray. It's not the right size. It's not the right size, so it's from something else. Right. So I'll see you in the part 2 of this video. This is going to be part 1 with disassembling and then putting the screen in. And again, this screen is, I think, yeah, it's only clipped. It doesn't have any glue. All right, that's me waffling about, so all good. I will see you in part 2, where we're gonna attempt to put everything back together and see if it powers up and what we can do with it, because yeah, all the ones that I got are very old. I got them for pennies, but I don't know what to do with them. If any of you know what to do with some old Android tablets that cannot be upgraded, just drop me an idea in the chat. Sorry, in the comments, maybe, yeah, and I'll try and see what I can do. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.